Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Little Blue Fly. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that bell and select all so that you will receive all of my future postings. So in today's video, it is all about organization. As I have stated many times before, organization is everything here at the cottage. Every space has to be fully utilized to its fullest potential. In a previous empty home tour video, I shared our master bedroom with the nice size walk-in closet. And we decided, since the closet had a really nice window, large window going to the outside, we thought, let's go ahead and turn this into a workspace. I actually thought of that because I didn't want the workspace to flow into our bedroom. I just want a nicely decorated bedroom with no office pieces in sight. So what we decided to do was, again, turn the walk-in closet to a workspace. But when we did this, we lost our ability to, of course, to place our clothes. We had no space to put our clothes in. So the quick fix to this solution was for us to go to IKEA's design center. We were able to build our wardrobes to fit our specific needs and stay well inside our budget. When we first moved in here, many things that, they just weren't presented, were wrong with the cottage, and we had to do many things just so that we could actually live here. We could stay at the cottage. So it was very important for us to find something that was going to be very budget friendly, and IKEA is just that. So we were able to build out our wardrobes to fit our specific needs. So that being said, let's begin, shall we? So here are all of the many boxes we have for this wardrobe. It's actually 3 of them that we will be placing on this very long wall in our bedroom. Look, it's barely gonna fit on that wall as well. It is a very tall unit. That's right, 1 down. Here is an actual photo of how we decided to design our wardrobes. So the wardrobe to the right is my husband's, and the one to the left is mine. Since I'm a lefty, I sort of just keep everything on the left. And then the centerpiece right here is going to be used for some linens and other bathroom supplies as well. We have the shelves and the baskets in now. And this is just like for partial linens, partial clothing, seasonal. We will be having additional down in the basement. We placed baskets up at the top. Those are from IKEA as well. And my husband decided to go with the full length drawers. And they're really deep. And they have a soft close to them. So he has 3 drawers, and then down at the bottom, a tray for his shoes. So again, here is a photo, and to the right there's my husband's side, and there's the long drawers. I opted to have more narrow because I need the length there for my dresses or things that are long. And of course for our linens. These sweet little baskets. So let's look at the little blue side. Baskets up at top. And then I have a side that is open for my longer items. And these drawers here will work nicely for me. They are very deep. And it is the soft close. And then I have a basket down at the bottom. The hardware was purchased from Hobby Lobby. So these units you actually have to place in your own handles. So our mirror door finally came in. It took some time to get this piece right here. And then when we did receive it, the first one was broken, so we had to turn back around and go and get another one. So I opted with going with the full panel mirror versus the solid door. And this is for 2 reasons. One, because it helps open up the space. Helps bring in more of the natural lighting. And 2, we just really needed a long mirror in our bedroom. Now I can finally start unpacking some more boxes. I have a mountain of boxes in my bedroom because I haven't been able to take my clothes out or some of my linens out. So this is the before. It was a nice linen closet, a coat closet. Has old handles. the wood top. And this is it being transformed. Nothing like a fresh coat of white paint. And I changed the hardware on the outside. Now to take a look on the inside to see what I have done. So I did start with a shelving unit, but first we're going to talk about the paint a little bit. I used Benjamin Moore, and on the walls I used Revere pewter and just a white for the doors and the baseboards. And I must say, I love this color, and I will be painting the walls in this particular room right here the same color. And I just used a flat purdy brush for all of my painting. So I used the eggshell finish for the Revere pewter and the semi-gloss for the doors and the baseboards. And I'm very, very pleased. So here I used an organizer that was purchased from Lowe's. We started by first placing the top bar across. And then we added these, just sort of slide in and vertically go down. And we made sure to go all the way out to the wall because we wanted to be able to use as much space as we possibly could. So I will be adding in more brackets going all the way down. And here they're all placed and ready for the shelving to go on now. I'm so excited that I'm finally gonna have a pantry to store our food in. And here is one of the shelves. And on the ends we placed on these finishing caps. That was important because I wanted it to look clean. So when we moved in here, I waited to get everything put away. And then I realized we do not have enough space for our food, so I decided to turn this closet into our food pantry. And as you can see, it just opened up quite nicely. So fresh and clean. I painted the top shelf. What a little bit of paint and shelving can do for a closet, right? And then the basket was purchased from Home Goods, and I'll just be placing in like bags of beans and rice and now on the top shelf I did go over that with the polyacrylic because that's a lot of things are gonna go up and down, and I just wanted to protect the paint. I didn't want it chipping off. Absolutely love this space. We're getting closer little by little. We're finishing things up. I am very pleased, and it's starting to feel more like a home.